Alright folks, we got an Equinox over here with a tail light out. Okay, to get it out, right here, 2 screws over here. Take these little covers off. 2 screws in there. It's a T15 Torx. Alright, T15 Torx right there. Once you loosen that up, give it a little shake. There's a little clip that's on the side here. It's actually a slider clip. Alright, this clip is part of the tail light. So take the tail light and just slide it out with your fingers. Alright, put your hand up there, put over here. Just pull it out and you'll see it. Alright, this guides up in this hole. This is the little clip that I'm talking about. Okay, it looks like a little U, and that snaps onto this piece right here. All right, and there's your taillight bulb here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, give yourself a little room. Turn it to the left, like that. Okay, turn it to the left. I know the camera fell off a little bit on me. All right, turn it to the left. Comes right out. This is the bulb, and the part number on the bulb is 7440. So I'm going to run to the store now and get that bulb, 7440. And I'm going to replace it while there's ambulances and fire departments going around. All right. Be right back. There you go, guys. 7440. There's the bulb. I installed it. Just plugs right in. All right. Just going to put this back on and then put the tail light on. It's getting dark and my battery's dying on my phone. So let's do that. There you go. All right, line up that little tab over here with this tab over here. The tail light will slide right in. Then you put the screws on, all right? There you go, guys. My phone died. All right, so just 2 screws, little cover, snap on the lens, and you're good to go. Thanks. Thanks, Paula.